he gave an information to bandits to kidnapping of his father.
And they did, is it?
They took the father to one of the camp at Kagarko for 7 days. 4 million naira ransom was paid to the kidnapper.
How much was his own share?
He was given the sum of 500,000 from the...
Why did they set their father up? Why?
Yes, sir. He says it was a mistake.
Mistake?
And greed.
And greed?
Yes.
Is it mistake or greed? Which one first?
Bored, sir.
Then why did you lie when you got to that military checkpoint and you called the policemen kidnappers? Why did you do that?
Me yasa da yan sanda suka kai checkpoint na sojoji, me yasa ka dinga ihu da cewa yan sanda kidnappers?
Kuskure ne da zauzai ya sami da ganganci da kuskure na sani ne wannan.
Ka yi ihu?
Ina yi ihu.
How did you shout? Ya ka yi ihu?
Wayo Allah kinafa, wayo Allah.
And why did you do it? The reason behind it?
Yasa ka?
Kuskure ne da zauzai ya sani wannan.
It's a mistake.
Wa ya ce kai?
Ardo ne ya ce mu yi.
That his father Ardo asked him that when they get to the checkpoint.
But because your father didn't know you kidnapped him. You arranged his kidnapping, your father didn't know. So your father told you to race along when you get to military point. Where's the father now?
The father is at home.
What's the father doing? Have we interrogated the father that
We're
direction?
working on it.
Okay, that's all right. Most of these kidnappings we record are planned, deliberate. Children arranging kidnapping for their fathers, for their parents, just because they want money. There are some cases we have that are staged kidnapping, not real kidnapping. So we want parents, guardians, members of the public to take note of some of these arrangements. So once you have an incident of such, contact us. We know how to go about such cases. Don't keep it to yourself. Another kidnapper will work on your psyche. That should not tell any one of us. But you know how we do it. Get across to us. We know how to go about it. You can see two of them, the same father, the same mother. They arranged kidnapping of their father. 4 million naira ransom collected. Each of them got 500,000 naira. Where's the money now? Are you still?
He has spent the money, sir.
You have spent the money.
The father does not know that he was the brain behind.
Okay, I think you need to do more.